Let's talk about the form and structure and nature of a cryptocurrency in general and Bitcoin in particular. And it's a bunch of things all at the same time. And we're going to have to use a new kind of logic that perhaps hasn't been used by humans up to now, in the sense that a cryptocurrency in general and Bitcoin in particular is at the same time a piece of software, a protocol, a data set, an economic asset, perhaps even an economy, a governance system, a community of actors, and a network. And let's dive into networks. Let's double click on what a network is for a moment. A network is a group of actors that are able to interact with each other. It's the structure of relationship. It's almost like a peer-to-peer situation. And the value of a network is n squared, where n represents the number of folks in that network. Every time an additional party comes to join a network, the value of that network expands exponentially. Now, if you look at the past 30 or so years, the thing to invest in, the highest performing assets out there were networks. So think of Facebook, think of Google, think of Amazon. Bitcoin is a network of money. Cryptocurrencies are a network of wealth.